Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. Erica questions Laycon again, reporting to Kidwaya says he's rude. Erica seems not to be giving up on her friendship with Laycon without trying her best to see if there could be something to say from the ruins. That the two of them are having a hard time getting along is an understatement, and the situation is not getting any better. Erica and Laycon were seen talking last night, and she kept asking him why he has been cold towards her since he requested a space, while she also embarked on a love adventure with Kidwaya. As she kept asking Laycon questions about why he has been cold and hostile towards her, his response were the same. Laycon said he has not been cold towards her and he does not have anything against her, that he has been making her feel as if she did something wrong to him, and she is sure that there is nothing like that. According to her, he looks at her in a weird way and makes her feel as if she is his enemy. Laycon, who found it hard to relate with the assertion, maintained that Erica is not his enemy and he does not intentionally give her attitude or bad energy as she claims. After talking with Laycon for a long time, she went to talk to Kidwaya in the head of house lounge, giving him the details of what they talked about. She specifically told Kidwaya that Laycon was not doing whatever she was accusing him of intentionally, and she said that that was rude. After talking with Laycon for a long time, she went to talk to Kidwaya in the HOH lounge, giving him the details of what they talked about. She specifically told Kidwaya that Laycon said he was not doing whatever she was accusing him of intentionally, and she said that was rude.